In Japan. Indah. Wow.
So, ang galing ng chef ng Pinoy. Pinoy yan, mga kabayan. Dito sa London.
Lovely po. Thank you. Okay, gonna make volcano, yeah? Yeah, birthday today. Birthday. Oh, birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday. Thank you.